All right, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with yet another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I have for you something from Taiwan. Yep, this one is from A-Sha Dry Noodle. If you're familiar with Taiwanese varieties, you're probably going to be familiar with them. And this is their, what is it, gourmet, traditional Taiwanese soybean paste flavor. And it's interesting, and it's gonna be good, and you're gonna like it. I hope I like it. I think I probably will. So, let's see. I'm looking at the back of the package, and I'm pretty sure this is a 4-minute. Um, um, 4 minute, yeah. Pretty sure. 4 minutes will work. So this is their, I think they call this their Mandarin noodle. It's just their standard popular dry noodle. It's interesting. What I don't understand is how the heck, because the noodle blocks aren't like a big solid block, if that makes any sense. They're not like, they're solid. The noodles aren't, they're flexy. There's give to them. So it just, and they're in a little plastic tray. But it's just like, how, oh, no boiling over. Dry noodles love to boil over on me. No, really, don't boil over. Go play with your Legos. Go find your Barbie. There. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much my go-to answers when I'm getting bugged by my children. They do bug. Oh my. Wow. She's almost 2. He's definitely knee-deep into being 3. And she lately has been really into like putting her hand in your face and like laughing and giggling about it. And it's just like, if anybody did that to me that wasn't my kid, I would just be like smacking them immediately. And that's just like the automatic reaction. I haven't smacked my daughter, but it doesn't mean I don't feel like doing such a thing. But I'm like, okay, you can get on the floor now. Go do your other thing. And then what does she do? She lets out a blood-curdling scream like I just shot Bambi in front of her. I mean, she's pretty nutty. I swear. She gets really, really, really mad and dramatic. And then all of a sudden you go like, she's like screaming at the top of her lungs and tears, and it just sounds so horrible. Oh, poor baby. And then she like looks over and sees something, maybe like a cookie, and she goes, ah! Cookie, 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 cookie. It's just like, dude, wow. Manipulative small child. Miles isn't the same way on that. If he's unhappy, it takes him a little time to work it out. But when he does, he seems pretty happy about it. The working out of it part. So what is going on? They're working on the painting this place still. There's Otis. I don't think you can see him. Hi, Otis. Continue. Yeah, they've been working on painting this place for like, I want to say a couple weeks, and it looks horrible. It's so bad. It's like, you're going to have to come back and redo that part, and then redo that. And then once that's done, you're going to have to come back and redo that. Why don't you do it this way or this way? I don't know. But they're the experts. And, oh yeah, I want to thank real quick Hanwei over at A-Sha USA. A-Sha Dry Noodle down in California. I just hit them up for instructions on this. They're the guys who sent me these. They sent 4 varieties. One of them starts with a Z. I want to say it was like Zanmai, or I can't remember. But it's on the top 10 Taiwan list because it was really good. I really liked that one a lot. And yeah, I was like, I had a couple last minute questions. The water was boiling and stuff. And I'm like, what do I do? He's like, oh, let me talk. So it's like a lot of back and forth in Chinese, you know. And he's like, yeah, she says it's shallot and this stuff. So there's a soybean paste, and then there's this, and I'm like, does that go on the top after the water's boiled and everything's drained? Because that's how dry noodles are. You cook them up and you drain them. And I was like, do you pour the sauce in and stir it up, and then once that's all done and good, do you stir that in alongside, or do you drain it and stir just the soybean paste in, and then put the vegetables in on, or just pour them on top as a garnish, right? So there was a lot of back and forth on that, and sure enough, you stir them in with it. So, folks, here is the stirring, and I'll let everybody see what I'm doing here. I don't know if I would put it over the bowl, but yeah, you can see that. That works. So this actually just gets dropped in, which kind of surprised me. That so seems like a garnish, but it is not. Anyways, at the end of the call, I was like, got to use my small amount of Chinese that I use when I'm like at the grocery store. Xie xie. So if you didn't know, if you want to say thank you in Chinese, it's xie xie. The transliteration is spelled Xie Xie. And it's not shu shu, it's xie. Xie. Xie xie. And hello is ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. I'm not as good as that at that one, but xie xie. And if somebody gives you instant noodles and you want to thank them for it, I don't know if it'd be the right order, but instant noodles are pa mian, and pa mian is like fast noodle, I believe. That's the whole concept of that. So they're like, shit, pa mian, shit, shit. I always want to throw it into a like an ooh sound, but it is not shoo, it's shit. I was told by my buddy from Mom's Dry Noodle that it's kind of a tricky language, Mandarin, and then he was like talking about Cantonese and how Cantonese has like, what was it, over like 20 different what do you call them, like accents or yeah, just there's like, there's a mountain over there, and I can't remember what it's called, but it's in Taipei, and it's got a lot of nice restaurants on the side of it. And it's Mount something, and it's like has the sound yang in it. There's yang, and yang. So yang and yang. Now, of course, if you live there and you're native, of course all those sounds are going to be easily recognizable. But for a foreigner like me, I'm like, what? That was a lot of fun. I highly recommend making friends with as many Taiwanese people as you can, and then going over there and getting to hang out with them and letting them show you places, because if you can do that, you will be so much more the richer in mind, body, and soul. Interesting. This is really interesting. You can see the little flecks on it. That's the stuff. That's good. I'm generally not a huge fan of soybean sauce. Or soybean paste, rather, but this is good. Alright. Can you see it? Not so much. Let's try to make it so you can see it. How is that? Okay. Noodle. Noodle. There's some, hey now. Gonna put some sprouts along the side, because actually in the image it's showing what certainly look like mung bean sprouts. So it's like, oh no, that's not mung bean sprout, you fool. But it's what I have and what it looks like, so I don't care. And it already has, oh no it doesn't, because it's scallion, not scallion, the other S one, shallot. That's where it gets tricky, because shallots are nothing like scallions, really, from what I can. With my spoon. Where is my spoon? Oh my god. I really need my... Oh, I used it for that. That's right. Oh, hear that out there? It's happening, folks. They are doing and doing. What are they doing, you ask? Those are ladders. I'm going to throw this right here. Just like that. Now, let me see if I can make this come out really, really nice. I would like for it to happen that way, but I have a feeling I'm just not built for... Ooh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice right there. Oh boy. Look at that. Well, I'm pleased. Let's see if you can actually see that. I want to make sure you can. Yeah. You can see that. What else can we do here? I can just... got a couple more bits and pieces here. You can just drop it around. And the... Here come the Mexicans. Very loud. But you know what? Those guys work their freaking butts off. Anyway, and sometimes they bring music, which is like my favorite part. When they like bring their little music boxes and, you know, just like jamming tunes. That's rad. It's like, ethnicity. Thank God. Alright, well, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you enjoyed this video, please click like. If you didn't, well, I'm really sorry about that. Maybe you will. We'll just watch it again and again and again And yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Yes. 2 in the afternoon Pacific time, 5 in the afternoon East Coast time. Yeah, have some nice dinner. Do whatever. You know. I'm gonna listen to these ladders go up and go all over the place, and yeah. Have a good one. Bye.